Hello children, today we'll learn some concepts in solving problems related to motion of trains. How you feel a train journey? Is it very interesting? Yes, obviously. The train journeys are very interesting. When you're sitting in a train, when you look through the window, how you feel? The trees, hills, buildings, all the world is running back. The train journeys are very interesting. The problems related to motion of trains are also very interesting. Suppose we consider a train of length L crossing a pole. How much distance it has to travel? As I was seeing in the figure, this train has to cross this pole. When you can say train has crossed the pole. I'm taking this is the starting point. Suppose if train comes like this, has it crossed the pole? No. When this come to this position, now we can say the train has crossed the pole. Now how much distance it traveled to cross the pole? And this is the starting point. I am taking with respect to this portion of the train, that is the front portion. The front portion final position is this. The distance between these two ends is nothing but length of the train. That is, to cross this pole, the train has to travel a distance which is equal to length of the train. In this case, it is L. Now what is the time taken to cross this distance? If the train is moving with uniform speed, the time taken to cross the pole is nothing but T equal to distance travelled by speed of the train. If the train is moving with uniform speed V, then this is equal to a length of the train by speed, and this is equal to L by V. And we take another example. Suppose we consider a train of length L crossing a bridge of length B. Now how much distance it has to travel? Now this is the train, this is bridge, this is having length L and this is having length B. When we can say the train has crossed the bridge. This is the reference point I am taking, the front side of the train. When this front portion comes to this position, then we can consider the train has crossed the bridge. To cross this bridge, how much distance it has traveled? This plus this, that means the length of bridge plus the length of the train. The total distance traveled by the train to cross the bridge is nothing but L plus B, that is the length of bridge plus the length of the train. Now how much time it takes? Time is nothing but distance traveled by speed. The distance is L plus B divided by speed is V. Therefore, the time taken to cross the bridge is nothing but T equal to L plus B by V. And related to these two ideas, we take an example. A train of length 150 meter crosses a pole in 5 seconds with uniform speed. Now my first question is, what is distance traveled by the train? Yes, to cross the pole, the train has to travel a distance which is equal to the length of the train. Therefore, the distance traveled by the train is 150 meter. The next question is, what is the speed of the train? In this problem, train takes 5 seconds to travel 150 meter. Speed of the train is nothing but distance by time, that is 150 by 5. This is equal to 30 meters per second. Next question is, express the speed in kilometer per hour. We are having the speed of the train in meter per second. We have to convert this in kilometer per hour. Then what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply with a factor 18 by 5. If a train travels 1 meter in 1 second, in 1 hour how much distance it can cover? Yes, in 1 hour it can cover 18 by 5 kilometers. That is 1 meter per second is nothing but 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Therefore, 30 meters per second, this is equal to 30 into 18 by 5. This is equal to 108 kilometer per hour. To find 1 meter per second is equivalent to how many kilometer per hour? Now you take 1 meter per second. 1 meter is nothing but 10 power minus 3 kilometer and 1 second is 1 by 60 into 60 hours. Therefore, 1 meter per second is equivalent to 10 power minus 3 kilometer divided by 1 by 60 into 60 hours. I am converting meters into kilometer. and seconds into hours. Now this is nothing but 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. That means 1 meter per second is 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Now we take another example. A train of length 150 meter crosses a bridge of length 150 meter in 10 seconds. The questions related to this statement are: what is the distance traveled by the train to cross the bridge? Now what is given in our problem is a train of length 150 meter crossing a bridge of length 150 meter. How much distance it travels to cross the bridge completely? Yes, it is nothing but the length of the bridge plus the length of the train. That means to cross the bridge, it has to travel 150 plus 150. This is equal to 300 meters. And to cross the bridge, the train takes 10 seconds. What is speed of the train? The speed of the train, distance by time, this is equal to 300 by 10. Distance is 300 meters and time is 10 seconds. And this is equal to 30 meter per second. If I want to express in kilometer per hour, this is equal to 30 into 18 by 5. This is equal to 108 kilometer per hour.